Double-hung windows are a popular choice among Miami Beach homeowners thanks to their classic look, easy operation, and excellent ventilation. But even the highest quality double-hung window can only perform as well as the installation behind it. In a coastal environment like Miami Beach, where humidity, salt air, strong sun, and tropical storms are part of everyday life, professional installation is essential for ensuring durability, energy efficiency, and long-term performance. Here's why trusting professionals with your double-hung window installation makes all the difference. A precise, weather-tight fit for coastal conditions. Miami Beach's climate can be tough on windows. From high winds to humidity and salty air, improperly installed double-hung windows can quickly develop gaps, leaks, or warping. Professional installers ensure a perfect fit that protects your home from the elements. Professional installation provides tight sealing to keep out moisture and humid air, accurate leveling to ensure both sashes move smoothly, durable anchoring to withstand coastal winds, proper insulation to prevent drafts and condensation. A precise fit helps your double-hung windows stay strong and sturdy, no matter the weather. Maximum energy efficiency for a cooler home. Miami Beach homeowners rely heavily on air conditioning, especially during long, hot summers. Poorly installed windows can allow warm air indoors and cool air to escape, driving up energy bills. Professionally installed double-hung windows help maintain indoor comfort by ensuring every component performs at its best. With expert installation, you get airtight seals that prevent air leaks, high-performing low-E glass that reflects heat, properly insulated frames to reduce heat transfer, smooth sash operation for better ventilation when needed. The result? A cooler home and lower cooling costs year-round. Prevention of water intrusion and structural damage. Water intrusion is a major concern in Miami Beach. Even a small installation mistake, like an improperly sealed frame, can allow moisture to seep in, leading to mold, rot, and damage to your walls or window frames. Professional installers follow strict protocols that include moisture-resistant flashing, high-quality caulking that withstands humidity, correct sill slope for proper drainage, tight sealing around the entire perimeter. These steps help protect your home from one of the region's most common and costly issues. Better protection during high wind events. While double-hung windows offer great functionality, they must be properly installed to stay in place during strong winds or stormy conditions. Professional installation ensures the window is secured according to Miami-Dade building codes and manufacturer requirements. This gives you stronger anchoring for storm safety, reduced risk of window failure during high winds, peace of mind knowing your windows meet local standards. Proper installation isn't just about performance, it's about safety. Smooth operation. For years of reliable use, double-hung windows rely on a precise balance system to allow both sashes to move up and down effortlessly. Improper installation can cause sticking, uneven movement, rattling, or premature wear. Professional installers ensure correct weight balance for smooth sash movement, proper alignment of tracks and frames, secure hardware installation, long-lasting functionality with minimal maintenance. This helps your windows operate like new for many years. Full warranty protection and long-term value. Most window manufacturers require professional installation to keep warranties valid. DIY or unskilled installation can void coverage, leaving homeowners unprotected if issues arise. With professional installation, you receive manufacturer-approved installation techniques, valid warranty coverage for glass, frames, and hardware, workmanship guarantees from the installer, long-term peace of mind. Your investment stays protected and delivers maximum value. Final thoughts. Double-hung windows are a smart, stylish, and functional choice for Miami Beach homes, but their performance depends heavily on expert installation. Professional installers ensure your windows are properly sealed, insulated, balanced, and anchored to withstand coastal weather, reduce energy costs, and deliver long-term durability. Whether you're upgrading for comfort, efficiency, or curb appeal, professional installation ensures your double-hung windows live up to their full potential.